Roberto, it is wonderful to have you on Floor Talk. Thanks for joining me today.
Okay, thank you for the invitation.
Of course, and it's an exciting time here at the New York Stock Exchange. You are celebrating your 30th anniversary of listing, ringing the closing bell today. So that's quite a significant milestone. How are you feeling about that milestone?
Oh, really proud. I mean, 30 years, it's been a long run. We've been driving through many changes in Argentina. The company has gone through many changes also, mergers, acquisitions, and we're here. And right now we are in the exact moment where we have finished the last merge. The country is settling down. We think we have a huge opportunity for the next 30 years more.
Tell me, Roberto, how has this long-standing presence in the international market influenced Telecom Growth's reputation globally?
Telecom has a long track record of success and openness, transparency, compliance. I mean, these are baselines where we've been working for this so many years. And that's the reason why we have so many investors that really are very confident on the management team, on the strategy, on the company. We are delivering the results. So I think it has been an enabler for the company to access capital, to access new investors, and it's wonderful. I mean, it's been quite a journey, and it's good.
Now you've transitioned from a telco to a techco. How has the company's strategy evolved to offer a digital ecosystem that goes beyond connectivity?
The incumbents, the telco companies, are suffering what we call the downpipe, no? This type of thing that we are only infrastructure, and all the ROI is getting by OTTs and hyperscalers. So that's something that telcos are challenged to do, is to go beyond connectivity. So we are starting to move into digital services. We launched our fintech. It's a baseline for digital inclusion. We have an entertainment video stream platform that is running already in Argentina, Paraguay, and Uruguay. We have our e-commerce that we are trying to increase our portfolio into more stuff, increasing our catalog. And it's amazing how there's an initiative called Open Gateway, in which you can expose your network as a code, as a service. So you can be accessed by any app, any application, and can search for number device, location of the customer, SIM swap solutions. So everything that has to do with our customer base and our services can be exposed to other companies and other services. And that's software defined. I mean, it's amazing how the technology is improving, but how the culture and the digitalization of our own people is being worked. So it's a good journey.
And finally, Roberto, tell me, how is the company leveraging partnerships and emerging technologies like 5G, AI, and big data to stay ahead in the digital economy?
There's nothing we can do alone. So we have partnered with the major hyperscalers like Google, like AWS, Salesforce. Our vendors are helping us to improve, to be better, to have better connectivity, because when we said that we're going beyond connectivity, we still need to make sure that we have the best connectivity to leverage on. So we are really working with them to make sure that we improve customer experience. Everyone is looking after the customer, making sure that we have a better NPS. And we are running behind the customer needs. This thing of digitalization of the economy of the people. I mean, in your normal days, everything is digital. And we are there not only for the connectivity, but for the payments, for the entertainment, even for talking. And it's a very good way of approaching the customer needs and the opportunities.
Well, Roberto, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Congratulations of 30 years of listing on the New York Stock Exchange.
Okay, thank you very much, and we hope we will go for another 30 years.
Yes, and hopefully you and I will be back here in 30 years.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining me.